It's the same here.
That's right. We out here riding, and I actually ran into this brother here. I saw him coming as I was coming up here, but he sped up, and I looked to my left, and he says, "I follow you." And so I'm glad I got another brother out here. Look what he got. Ain't it smooth? You see, when we pick bikes, we funny. We don't pick bikes just because of it's fast. It's got to look good for us. You see, but he was wanting to get this bike, so now he's gonna be his first time riding it. So he's gonna get on this 89. I got it on level 1 right now, and he can increase it as he wants. It's real jumpy, but it's not jumpy like a gear hub. So it's got that smooth speed that'll just, oh man, it's nice. You'll like the way it sits too. And see, you taller than I am, and so what you 6'2"? So 6'2", you may have to. It's up to you. You can leave it right there for now. Go ahead and throw your kickstand off, and here's where you this right here is where you increase the speed.
Okay.
So just up.
The power button.
Yeah. So it you know just take your time. You know you're good. There he is. He looked good on it though. Yeah, it's real compact. He looks good on it. There you go. There he is doing his thing. Let me get in and zoom on him a little bit. I don't think you're ready for that. Because you know, the thing about the A9 direct drive, the thing about this bike is that it's got that smooth power increase as you go. But some people ain't used to it. And so it can get away from you. And that's what I like about it, you know. So other than that, let's wait for him to come on back here. Man, oh man. Here he goes. Let's go down there. Let's go down there. Yeah, I just waved to him and told him to go that way. But just really quick, I never seen this particular one. I seen some that look similar to this, and you can see he's got that gel pad on. He's got the much larger one. Them gel pads, man, they make a difference. They really do make a difference on the butt. But it looks real good. It's nice. I like the way it looks. This bike here kind of got that vintage vibe. Something that belongs probably back in the 1940s to the 1960s. So, you know, when you got a bike that kind of got that vintage vibe to it, that nostalgia, you want to, you know, get that helmet and get all the gear that kind of represents that bike. But it is a unique looking bike I've never seen. And I like the fact that, is that a light? I'm not sure what that looks like. I'm not sure what that is. I'll ask him when he comes back. But this is a direct drive motor too. So he agrees that smoothness is right. So I'm looking forward to it. Me and him, we're about to ride. Oh my greatness. My wife finna be like, you gone every day. Yeah, I am gone. Well, not every day, but you know what I mean. Because it gets, just like he do, I don't like being out in the heat. So we let the sun set or we get out in the wee hours of the morning. Hit the trails and we're out. And right now I got my vehicle parked at the school with the pack mule on it. So I was testing the pack mule out and doing a video with my Insta360. But here he comes. There he is. You can't hear nothing. These bikes are deadly, man. When I say deadly, don't be an enemy, because we can sneak up on you. Ooh. Quiet, ain't it? Quiet, ain't it? And I forgot that signal's on. See, that's why I hope I communicate with them a lot. Yeah, and the signal, it should be showing up here, but here's the signal here.
I must have hit it about.
No, I had it on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, sometime if I'm in traffic, I just hit the hazardous and leave the hazardous on. Oh yeah, got hazardous right there.
Oh, see, I wish mine had that.
You know, but yeah, even at that level, this bike fits you.
Yeah.
It looks good on you.
Yeah, that's the one I was going to get at first, because I was like, man, that's more my height.
Yeah.
This one is cool, but I sit low.
Yeah. And I'm right at 5'11" and a half. And so I'm right here on the tip of my toes. But I like that. That's how I sit on my motorcycle anyways.
Yeah, that's what it feels like.
That's exactly. Exactly.
I was like, man, I knew I should have got it.
Oh, man, you got a channel on YouTube?
No, I don't have a YouTube channel. I'm usually a photographer.
That's what I did for 30 years.
Yeah, I'm a photographer.
Hold on, let me turn this off. Folks, I'm going to turn this off. Me and him got to talk.